Hey folks, it's Lauren from Snowy's here with the Eagle Creek Packet Reveal Multi-Shoe Storage Cube.
Hit it.
Made from 100% recycled materials, it fits up to 3 pairs of shoes. It's washable with a carry handle for convenience. Hold up, to make sure you don't miss any of our awesome content, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get back to it. So your shoe cube weighs around about 85 grams and measures are 34 centimeters long by about 22 centimeters wide and about 14 centimeters tall. It's also made from a 300 denier fully recycled or 100% recycled polyester. So it's sort of nice and tough and very sort of wear resistant as well, which is what you want when you are storing your shoes. So it is called a multi-shoe storage cube. As you can see on the inside here, we've got a couple of padded dividers that are sewn into the base of the bag here. So when they're not in use, they fold flat, which means you've got this whole space of uninterrupted storage there. But if you're wanting to put in more than one pair of shoes, you've got these dividers in place. Now, Eagle Creek do say it fits up to a size 13 US shoe for men. So I'm going to chuck a pair of these ones in that have been kindly donated by one of the Snowy's team here. So I'm going to pop that one in there. Yep, as you can see, that's a US 13 men's in the Salomon, and that definitely fits in. There's no concerns there with the length, and it's not tight or anything either. But putting that 2 pairs of shoes in, we can see that that's actually getting quite full there with this size shoe. We can probably fold up one of the dividers. That's going to leave us a little bit of room, probably for your like shower slides, or if you have a pair of Tevas or sandals that you want to take with you as well. Now for a comparison, I've got a smaller length shoe in these Keen women's shoes. So they're still quite a sturdy or well-constructed shoe, and they're a size 7 in the women's. So I'll just slip that one in and pop in the second one as well. So again, even though they're a lot shorter, being quite a shoe with quite a lot of sort of construction and rigidity around them, we can still only get one of the dividers up in the center. So in this case, it's again, probably either some very squishy or compact sneakers or slides, sandals, etc. in that end pocket here. So I'm just going to zip it up and also show you we've got a carry handle on the end. So this is going to be great if you're chucking it in your camper trailer or your caravan or something and you want to shove your shoes under your bed, you can pull it out. Or it's also good if you want to hang it up on a wall somewhere if you're traveling around, or potentially even hiking and you want to hang it off a tree or something like that. Now overall, whilst it does have those 3 dividers, it obviously is going to potentially, for most people, be a 2-shoe max bag. But if you are someone who's got lighter weight sneakers or squishable sneakers, sandals, loafers, ballet flats, all of that sort of stuff more for traveling, you'd be able to get up to 3 shoes in there for sure. So that's about it for the Eagle Creek Packet Reveal Multi-Shoe Storage Cube. You can get this at snowies.com.au at our low prices every day.